Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple example on how to read a text file using Spurt. Okay. And we're going to add some new data to it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the file and add the new data and read it. So I'm going to create a subroutine called read file. This is just a very simple bare bones example. Create a path to my desktop on Windows, my scalar path. I'm going to assign that to C users mark desktop. Okay, this is my path on my desktop. Your path will be different to this, so you will have to find your own unique path. Use CHDIR to change into this path above. And now what we're going to do, we're going to print out a message to the user so the user knows what's going on. Reading file, and we're going to give it a pause, so we use the sleep function here to give it a pause, and I'm going to give it a pause for 1 second. So it's going to pause for 1 second so it makes it look like the program is working. Now I'm going to create a scalar variable called new data, and I'm going to assign that to adding new data. So this is a text string that's going to go into the file, and then we're going to use Spurt to write it, and we're going to create a new file here. Let's say no, I've already got the file on my desktop, so that's going to be jjj.txt. So that's the file on my desktop, which is here. So we're going to add the new data to it, which is above, and then we're going to tell the user data has been written to file. So actually made the little bit of a mistake here, so I'm just going to call it write file. It's more like it, write file. Okay, so we just save this here, and we're going to call the program. So the program is called write file, so we're going to write to this file. We're not actually going to create a file. That was one of my other videos. Okay, so let's just increase the font size a little bit on here. I'm going to type in Raku to run it because we're in the terminal now, and we're going to type in test.raku. Hit enter. Reading file. Okay, data has been written to file. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. Let's see if the data has been written there. Adding new data, and it most certainly has. You can see this line here. So adding new data. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.